Ugadi for all my teachers and my dear friends. Ugadi or Samvatsaradi or Yugadi is the new year for the states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka in India. It is festivally observed in these regions by the first day of the Hindu lunisolar calendar month of Chaitra. This typically falls in April, month of the English calendar. It is an cultural festival. In this festival, we make Ugadi Pachadi. It is a mixture of 6 different types of tastes. These are sweet, sour, spicy, bitter, salty and astringent. It is symbolic reminder that one must accept all of these experiences in the coming new year. Ugadi has been an important and historic festival that Lord Brahma has started creating the elements of the earth on this day. It is celebrated as Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra. We decorate our homes with mango leaves toran and make special Ugadi Pachadi and a special sweet paratha called Bobatlu, which are called Puran Poli in Maharashtra. Hope everyone have a bright year ahead. Once again, Happy Ugadi and Namaste.
Good morning, one and all. This is Likit Sai from 4th Marigold. Today I am going to speak about the significance of Ugadi festival. Ugadi is a Hindu festival celebrated mainly in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. It marks the beginning of new Hindu calendar year, which starts with Chaitra month. It falls in late March or early April as per the Gregorian calendar. In Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, this festival is known as Ugadi, and in Karnataka as Yugadi. Yugadi is a combination of two words. Yud means age and Adi means beginning. On this festival, people in South India believe that Lord Brahma created the universe. People drop colorful rangolis in front of their houses and decorate the entrance of their houses with toranas, which is made of fresh mango leaves. On this day, people apply castor oil or sesame oil, as it is considered as auspicious and act as the cooling weather for the transition to hot weather. The significance of Ugadi Pachadi is the immense, as it symbolizes the essence of life and combines all flavors like jaggery, sweet, symbolizes happiness, tamarind, sour symbolizes challenges, salt showing interest in life, neem flowers, bitter shows difficulties of life, raw mango, tangy shows new challenges and surprises, chili powder spicy showing the angry moments in one's life, and special dishes like oling, mango pickle, pulihara and bobatlu are prepared. On this festival, people wear new clothes, give charity to the poor and visit the temples to remove all the bad deeds and also pledge for the new beginning of life. It teaches us that life is a mixture of all the emotions. Thank you, friends, and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aksa Fatima. I am studying in 4th Astral. Today I am going to tell about Ugadi. Ugadi is a Hindu festival.
It is mainly celebrated in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Ugadi marks the beginning of Hindus' new calendar year, which starts with Chaitra month. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, this festival is called as Ugadi. And in Karnataka, this festival is called as Yugadi. And in Maharashtra, this festival is called as Gudi Padwa. In South India, people believe that Lord Brahma created the universe on Ugadi. People decorate their doors with mango leaves hangings called Torana. People exchange gifts, give charity to people, to poor and visit Hindu's temple. The pachadi is the notable festival food on Ugadi. It combines all the flavors: sweet, sour, salty, spice, and bitter. Happy Ugadi to you all. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Vaidyana Charita. I am studying in class section Tulip. Today I am going to sing a song on occasion of Ugadi. Adi 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 Mana Samvatsaradi Telugu Samvatsaradi Adi Adi Mana Samvatsaradi Telugu Samvatsaradi పరుగులు పెట్టే 12 నెలలతోని మన ఈ యుగాది పరుగులు పెట్టే 12 నెలలతోని మన ఈ యుగాది నేటితోనే మొదలు మనమేసే అడుగైన పంచాంగ శ్రవణాలు వేడుకలే మొదలవగా రాశిఫల వైభోగం మొదలయ్యే ఆరంభం రాశిఫల వైభోగం మొదలయ్యే ఆరంభం తీపి వగరు కారం చేదు పులుపు మన జీవిత సాగాన్ని ఉగాది పచ్చడి తెలుపు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యాపీ ఉగాది.
Good morning, teachers, principals, and my dear friends. I am Srinidhi. Today I am going to sing Ugadi song. కొత్త చిగురు కోసమే కొమ్మలన చైత్రమాసం వచ్చిన సంబరన తెలుగింటి వారికే పండగ ఇది హోయిలా హోయిలా బంతి పువ్వు మామిడాకు బంధమానే గడపలికి గుమ్మానికి దండ కట్టే కొత్త ఏడు సంబరాలు మొదలుపెట్టే హోయిలా హోయిలా మా ఇళ్ళల్లో కోయిలమ్మ నెలవంకను చూసిందే ఈ ఉగాదినా కొత్త చిగురు పూసనే కొమ్మలన చైత్రమాసం వచ్చిన సంబరాల తెలుగింటి వారికి పండగ ఇది హోయిలా హోయిలా. Thank you and happy.
India is home to different cultural clusters and beliefs. The different festivals and observances that are celebrated throughout the year give the country a colorful identity. Ugadi is a major festival that is celebrated in the southern states of Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. On this day, people wear their best dresses and come out and greet other people. They indulge on delectable delicacies that are specially prepared on this day. Prayers are offered and houses are clean. Families get creative on this day. They prepare rangoli in their home. Other traditional floor decorations also include flower petals and colored rice. It is believed that on this day, Lord Brahma had created the universe. He had also created days, weeks, months and years. Thus, Ugadi is said to be the first day of the creation of the universe. Plavanama Samatra Shubhakankshalu. Thank you.
Teacher, namaste. My name is Rashna Vikasa. I am from 4th Marigold. Today, I am going to give a speech on Ugadi. So, let's start. Ugadi or Yugadi is a Hindu festival celebrated in southern parts of India. In Kannada, people greet by saying Ugadi Haba Shubhashagalu, and in Telugu, traditional greetings are ఈ పండుగ and Ugadi Shubhashakankshalu. Uga means age and Adi means beginning. Hence, Ugadi or Yugadi means beginning of the new age or year. It is the New Year Day and celebrated on first day of Chaitra month as free for the Hindu calendar. Ugadi falls in late March or early April as free for the Gregorian calendar. People decorate their house entrance with torana or toranalu, which is made of fresh mango leaves. Women draw colorful patterns in front of their house, which is called mugulu or rangoli. People decorate their houses with flowers and special dishes like bobbatlu, pulihora and mango pickle are prepared on this day. Pachadi is the main dish of this festival, which consists of sour, sweet, salty, bitter and spicy together. People wish each other and also exchange gifts. Thank you, teacher.
అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను మీకు ఇవాళ ఉగాది పచ్చడి ఎలా చేయాలో చేసి చూపిస్తా. ఉగాది పచ్చడి అంటేనే షడ్రుచులు. ఉగాది పచ్చడికి కావలసిన పదార్థాలు ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. వేప పువ్వు, మామిడికాయ, బెల్లం, చింతపండు రసం, అరటిపండు, ఉప్పు, పచ్చిమిరకాయలు. ఉగాది పచ్చడి ఇప్పుడు ఎలా తయారు చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం ముందుగా కరిగిన మామిడికాయ ముక్కలు 3 స్పూన్లు వేసుకోవాలి. మామిడికాయ ముక్కలు అంటే వగరు. బెల్లం వేసుకుంటున్నాం. బెల్లం అంటే తీపి. బెల్లం 3 స్పూన్లు. అరటిపండు అంటే ఫ్రూట్.
హాఫ్ స్పూన్ ఉప్పు వేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనం వేప పువ్వులు వేసుకోవాలి. వేప పువ్వులు అంటే చేదు. ఇప్పుడు మనం పచ్చిమిర్చి వేసుకుంటున్నాం అంటే కారం. ఇప్పుడు మనం చింతకాయ రసం వేసుకోబోతున్నాం అంటే పులుపు. ఇది మొత్తం వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని బాగా కలపాలి. షడ్రుచులతో కూడిన ఉగాది పచ్చడి రెడీ. ఇంకెందుకు, సర్వింగ్ బౌల్లోకి తీసుకొని టేస్ట్ చేద్దాం.